Hi folks, welcome back to Ukulele Mama. My name is Maureen. The name of the song we're going to do today is called Bad Moon Rising by Creedence Clearwater Revival. Now, I chose this song, first of all, because I really like it, but the reason I really like it is because it's very atmospheric and very dramatic. Very simple chords. There's only 3, G, D, and C. So the way you play this is with feeling. So let's get to it. Okay, we're going to look at the verse for Bad Moon Rising. 3 easy chords. G, D, C, and back to G. And it's how we put these chords together that makes the song. I'll just play these chords and call out the names of the chords for you to start. D, G, D, C, G, 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 D, C, G, 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 D, C, G, 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 D, C, D. As you can see, the transition between D and C is quick. It helps make the song interesting. So now, just plug in the words for the verse. Verse 1. I see a bad moon rising. I see trouble on the way. I see hurricanes are blowing. I see bad times today. All right. So I'm going to ask you to practice this part, the verse, over and over until you feel really comfortable with it, and then we'll move on to the chorus, which is a little different. The chorus for Bad Moon Rising starts in C. Let's take a look at it. C, 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 and G, 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 and D, D, C, 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 G, G, C, 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 and G, 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 and D, D, C, 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 G. Let's put some words to this. No, don't go around tonight, it's bound to take your life. Yeah, there's a bad moon on the rise. Don't go around tonight, it's bound to take your life. Yeah, there's a bad moon on the rise. Yeah, there's a bad moon on the rise. One more. There's a bad moon on the rise. So whenever you're ready, join me on the play-along. And repeat any part of this that you would like. Remember, you can always put me on pause and move on when you're ready. I see a bad moon rising. I see trouble on the way. I see earthquakes and lightning. I see bad times today. No, don't go around tonight. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you didn't get really too scared, but it was a pleasure to do this song, and I am hoping that you learned something and that you'll watch again. Remember, I really, really appreciate when you give me thumbs up and when you press the button for subscribe. So come back again because we got lots more songs to go. Take care. Bye-bye.